Hey y'all, it's Tammy with Southern Angel Stamping. Welcome to my channel. Look what came in the mail today. It's my paper pumpkin kit. So it's that time again. So I'm going to do an unboxing for you today and show you what's in the kit. I've already taken the plastic off so it would be easier to get in the kit. Before I show you, let me just remind you of my host code here. So if you'd like to go order the next month's kit, you can do so. And we're going to open this up and I'll show you. This is what the next kit is. You have until May 10th to order the next kit, and as you see, it's all in black and white. And the reason it's like that is because it's going to be a surprise. It's going to be the new in colors is what's going to be in the new kit for next month. So if you don't know about the in colors, every 2 years they come out with 4 new in colors for Stampin' Up. So the in colors for the last 2 years are about to retire. And so if you are wanting those, you need to go and see about purchasing those now before they retire. But these are the in colors. We don't know what they are yet, but they're going to be telling us what those are, I guess, in this paper pumpkin kit, and we'll find out what they are here with this kit. So that's going to be real exciting. And so I'm really urging you to order this paper pumpkin kit, and you can just order the one. You don't have to like order for a whole year or anything, or you can just you know do it like monthly by monthly, however you would like. There's several options you can do. Yeah, you should order this one and see how you like it, and you get to see the new in colors. And you can use my host code there, and that helps me out as well when you use that host code. And so I just wanted to let y'all know about that. And if you need any help or anything, just get in touch with me through a comment or email and let me know. So we're going to move on here. And when you do order, you always get to have a free demonstration class on YouTube and all that, so you'll know exactly how to use your kit. Okay, so in this kit this month here's how it looks. So our free ink spot this time is Pear Pizzazz. So that's the ink spot. And then we have our ribbon color here. We got some ribbon. I'm not sure what color this is yet, so I'll have to look inside of the kit and see. But this is a real nice ribbon. And I'm not sure how much is here, but it looks like a good bit. Let's see. Hell, if I measured it right. I'll tell you, this is 12. Well, it's about 24 inches of ribbon. And it's really nice. Not sure what kind of ribbon that is, but it's a different kind than they've had before. Very soft. And let's look at the stamps. Nice big old pack of stamps this time. And let's see, we have got, I usually like to stamp them out for you. Let me back up just a little bit. We've got a tree, the top of the tree and the bottom of the tree. Looks like, I think that's little butterflies. We got Happy Mother's Day, Mom. I'm glad you are my family, daughter, brother, to my wonderful dad, sister, son, family, where life begins. I'm sorry, let me read this better. It says, family where life begins and love never ends. This one says, I'll always be here for you. And happy Father's Day. Oh, they're very nice. So that's got everything in it, just like it says for family. Okay, so now we'll get into the kit. I'm excited to use those. We got Mother's Day and Father's Day and all that coming up. So we're going to now move the box out of the way and open our kit up. Oh, I bit my tree. Have to be careful when you open them up. And I always keep my cardboard. Now your instructions are on the back here, so always remember those are there. And like I said, this one's called My Wonderful Family. And here's the instructions. It shows you everything right there, like what you can make, which I don't usually follow the instructions. Most of the time I just do the alternatives. This even shows you some alternatives you can make. Whoop. Sorry, I was kind of off there. Now, let's see. This kit includes My Wonderful Family photopolymer stamp set, Pear Pizzazz classic Stampin' Spot, card bases, printed envelopes, printed die cuts, label die cuts, ribbon, pearls, dimensionals, adhesive dots, and coordinated stamp up colors are crushed curry, early espresso, melon mambo, mint macaron, pear pizzazz, shaded spruce, soft seafoam. So those are the colors that are all in the kit. Alright, so let's take a look at everything. So there's our glue dots, there's our dimensionals, here's our little pearls, and let's see, here's our envelopes, all decorated. Those are nice, very nice, and they're full-size cards too. like full-size cards. And then, oh, look how pretty. Life's greatest blessing begin and end with family. It is the families that we learn to love, teach what is most important, and grow together in love and laughter. Grateful for you. Happy to be yours. Oh, those are nice. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are nice. So you don't have to use these just for cards. You can use these for other projects, scrapbooking, or whatever you want. Okay, and here's the card bases. Oh, these are definitely different card bases. These fold different. So I probably will have to kind of look at the instructions to see, make sure they're folded properly. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 of this style. We got these little birds and little butterflies here. It's a little butterfly. There's the little bird. And let's see, here's one of those. And then here's one of these tags. Okay, and then here are these cards. Oh, okay, they go this way. I didn't even check to see where they... Okay, there's just one. All right, so we've got this card base and then this card base. These are pretty. So there's 4 of these too. All right. And then we've got these little, pop this out real gently here. Ooh. Have to be real careful here. Sorry, that's my husband in the background blowing his nose. I know y'all hear that. Okay, let's see if I get this out. There we go. I kind of bent this one, didn't I? Trying to get it out. You have to be real careful popping that out. But there's the little green leaf. Or you can flip it over and use the white side and make it any color you want. Okay. And then here's this tag. And then there's that tag. And then there's some trees. There's 2 of those. See, so that is everything that came in the kit. And make sure you have subscribed to me and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified on my videos and you'll get to watch and see when I make videos on cards later on. I'll be showing you some cards with this kit, and some alternative cards, most definitely. So when you purchase, if you purchase a kit from me, you'll get to see how, you know, on YouTube I can show you how to use the kit and everything. So I thank y'all for watching, and please remember to give this video a thumbs up, and if you please make sure and share with others. That helps my channel to get notified, and for other people to see what I'm doing. That means a lot to me. I really appreciate that. So y'all have a blessed day and a blessed weekend, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.